Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 7th standard CBSE Mathematics, Chapter 4, Simple Equations. Let us start exercise 4.3 children. First question, solve the following equations. Here they have given some equations. We have to solve the following equations and find the variable. That means we have to find the variable value. Right children? First one, 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. Here we want y value. So let this 2y here on left hand side. Now send this 5 by 2 to right hand side. Right children? So 37 by 2 here plus 5 by 2 is going to right hand side means it will be minus 5 by 2. Now 2y equal to take LCM 2 here 37 minus 5. So 2y equal to 37 minus 5 children 32 by 2. What is 32 by 2? That is 16. So 2y equal to 16 but we want y value. You can divide both the sides with 2 or else you can send this 2 to right hand side children. If you send this 2 to right hand side, y will be here and it is multiplying with y here. If you are sending 2 to right hand side, it will divide 16 by 2, that is 8 children. So y value is 8. Question B, 5t plus 28 equal to 10. Here also we have to find out t value. So keep this 5t left hand side, send this 28 to right hand side. It will be negative 28, minus 28. So 5t equal to 10 minus 28 minus 18. Now 5t equal to minus 18. If you want t value, send this 5 to right hand side. It will divide. It is multiplying here. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. So minus 18 by 5 is the t value children. Question C, a by 5 plus 3 equal to 2 children. Here we have to find out a value. So let this part left hand side, send this 3 to right hand side. It will be 2 minus 3. Right children? A by 5 equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Correct? Here 5 is dividing. If you are sending to right hand side, it will multiply. So a value equal to minus 1 into 5. So a equal to minus 1 into 5 minus 5. Question D children, q by 4 plus 7 equal to 5. Here we have to find out q value. So keep this q by 4 on left hand side. Send this 7 to right hand side. So it will be negative 7. Now q by 4 equal to minus 2. We want only q value. So send this 4 to right hand side children. It is dividing now. When you are sending to right hand side, it will multiply. Therefore q equal to minus 2 into 4. That is minus 8 children. Question E, 5 by 2 x equal to minus 5 children. Here we have to find out x value. So keep this 5x here. Send this 2 to right hand side first. Here 2 is dividing. If you are sending to right hand side, it will multiply. So 5x equal to minus 5 into 2 minus 10 children. Now we have to send this 5. So x equal to, here 5 is multiplying x. If you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. Minus 10 by 5 children. So x equal to minus 2. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So minus 2 is the answer. Question F, 5 by 2 x equal to 25 by 4. Here also same. Keep this 5x on left hand side and send this 2 to right hand side. 25 by 4 already here. If you are sending this 2 to right hand side, it will multiply. Right children? Here 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 5x equal to 25 divided by 2. Here we have to find out x value only. So send this 5 to right hand side. It is multiplying here. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. Right children? So 5 ones are 5 fives are. So x value is 5 by 2 here. Question G children, 7m plus 19 by 2 equal to 13 here. Keep 7m on left hand side, 13 here. Now we are sending 19 by 2 to right hand side. It will be minus 19 by 2. Right? So 7m equal to, take LCM 2 here. 2 13s are 26 minus 19 children. This equal to 7 by 2. Right? 26 minus 19 is 7 by 2 is there. Now 7m equal to 7 by 2. We want m only. So send this 7 to right hand side. 7 by 2. Here 7 is multiplying. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. That means 1 by 7 you can write. 7 will get cancelled. 1 by 2. M value is 1 by 2 here. Now question H. 6z plus 10 equal to minus 10 children. We want z value. So keep this 6z on left hand side and send this 10 to right hand side. Minus 2 already there and minus 10 now. Right? 6z equal to minus 12. Now z value equal to minus 12 by 6. Because here 6 is multiplying z. If you are sending to right hand side, it will divide the number. So z equal to 6 1s are 6 2s are, so minus 2. Question I, 3l by 2 equal to 2 by 3 children. Here we have to find out L value. So keep this 3l here. Now we are sending 2 to right hand side. We'll do step by step. Here 2 is dividing. When you are sending to right hand side, it will multiply. Here already 2 by 3 is there. So multiplying 2. Right children? So 3l equal to 2 into 2, 4 by 3. Now we want L. So send this 3 also to right hand side. Now it is multiplying. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. You can write 4 by 3 into 3 or 1 by 3 also. Right children? So L equal to 4 by 9. Question J, 2b by 3 minus 5 equal to 3. From here 2b by 3 equal to, send this negative 5 to right hand side, it will be positive 5. That means 3 plus 5. Right children? 2b by 3 equal to 8. Now 2b equal to, send this 3 to right hand side. One by one, step by step we have to do. We cannot get the value of the variable directly children, step by step. So 3 I am sending here. It is dividing now. When you are sending to right hand side, it will multiply. 8 into 3. That equal to 24. Now 2b equal to 24. We want b value only. Now send this 2 to right hand side. It is multiplying now. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. So b equal to 24 by 2, that is 12. B value is 12 children. Second question children, solve the following equations. First one, 2 of x plus 4 equal to 12. Here 2 is multiplying x plus 4 children. That means we have to remove the brackets and multiply with 2 first, then we'll solve step by step. So 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 4, 8, that equal to 12. Right? Now 2x equal to, because we want x only, so keep 2x here. Now send this 8 to right hand side. Now positive 8 will go to right hand side, means it is negative 8, minus 8. 2x equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. So x equal to, here 2 is multiplying. If you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. Right children? 4 by 2 means it is 2. Question B, 3 of n minus 5 equal to 21. Here also same, multiply with 3. 3n minus 15 equal to 21 now. Right? Now no brackets. 3n minus 15 equal to 21. Now 3n equal to, send this minus 15 to right hand side. It will be plus 15. 21 plus 15 children. 3n equal to 36. Now n equal to, we want n value. 36 by 3. Here 3 is multiplying. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. 36 by 3, that equal to 12. So n value is 12 here. Question C, 3 of n minus 5 equal to minus 21. First multiply with 3 here. 3 into n, 3n minus 3 into 5, 15. That means minus 15 equal to minus 21. Now we want n value. So keep this 3n on left hand side and sending minus 15 to right hand side. So minus 21 here. It will be plus 15 children. So 3n equal to minus 21 plus 15. Minus 6. N equal to minus 6 divided by 3. Here 3 is multiplying. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. That means minus 6 by 3. That is minus 2. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. N value is minus 2 children. Question D, minus 4 of 2 plus x equal to 8. Here also same, multiply with minus 4. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus 4 into x, minus 4x equal to 8. Right? We want x value. So keep this minus 4x on left hand side. Send this negative 8 to right hand side. It will be positive 8. That means plus 8. Now minus 4x equal to 16. Now x equal to 16 divided by minus 4. Here minus 4 is multiplying x. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. Right children? 4 1s are 4 4s are. So x equal to minus 4. Right children? Question E, 4 of 2 minus x equal to 8. Here multiply with 4 first. 4 2s are 8 minus 4x are 4x equal to 8. Now we want x value children. So keep minus 4x here and send this 8 to right hand side. It will be minus 8. Right? 8 minus 8. Minus 4x equal to 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we want x value only. So keep this x and send this minus 4 to right hand side. Now it is multiplying. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide 0 by minus 4. 0 by any value gives 0 only. So x value is 0 here. Question 3 children, solve the following equations. 4 equal to 5 of p minus 2. 4 equal to, here we are multiplying with 5 children. 5 into p, 5p minus 2 into 5, 10. Minus 10 here. Now we want p value. So keep this 5p on right hand side children and send this minus 10 to left hand side. Right? So 5p is here only. Now sending minus 10 to left hand side, it will be plus 10. 4 plus 10. Right children? So 4 plus 10 is 14. That equal to 5p. Correct? So p is, now send 5 to left hand side. Right children? Here 5 is multiplying. When you are sending to left hand side, it will divide. 14 divided by 5. P value is 14 by 5. Here they just change the order children, but the procedure is same only. Question B, minus 4 equal to 5 of p minus 2. Minus 4 equal to, multiply this whole thing with 5. 5 into p, 5p minus 5 into 2, 10. So keep this 5p on right hand side only. Now send this minus 10 to left hand side. Here minus 4 already there. When it is coming to left hand side, it will be plus 10. Correct? So minus 4 plus 10, that is plus 6 equal to 5p. Correct? 5p equal to 6. So p equal to, now send this 5 to left hand side. 6 by 5. Because 5 is multiplying here. When you are sending to left hand side, it will divide. Question C children. 16 equal to 4 plus 3 of t plus 2. Right? First we'll remove the brackets. So 16 equal to 4 plus, now we have to multiply with 3. 3 into t, 3t, 3 into 2, 6 plus 6. Right children? Now 16 equal to 4 plus 6 is here. That means 10 plus 3t. Correct children? Now keep this 3t on right hand side and send this 10 to left hand side. It will be negative 10. 16 minus 10 children. Correct? 16 minus 10 is 6. That equal to 3t. Now 3 is multiplying here. When you are sending to left hand side, it will divide. So t equal to 6 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. What is t value children? That is 2. Question D, 4 plus 5 of p minus 1 equal to 34. 4 plus 5 into p, 5p, 5 into minus 1 minus 5 equal to 34. Now these two numbers we will simplify. 4 minus 5 children, that is minus 1 and 5p is there. 5p minus 1 equal to 34. Now 5p equal to, this negative 1 will go to right hand side, it will be positive 1. 34 plus 1, 5p equal to 35. Here 5 is multiplying p. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. P equal to 35 by 5. So p value is 5 1s are 5 7s are. P is 7 children. Question E, 0 equal to 16 plus 4 of m minus 6 children. So 0 equal to 16 plus, now we are multiplying with 4 here. 4 into m, 4m. 4 into minus 6, minus 24. Right children? So 0 equal to 16 and minus 24 children, that is minus 8. Correct? Plus 4m. Now 4m equal to, send this negative 8 to left hand side children, then it will be positive 8. 0 plus 8. 4m equal to 8 children. So we want m only, send this 4 to left hand side, it will be dividing. 8 by 4. Therefore, m equal to 2. Fourth question, children. Construct 3 equations starting with x equal to 2. Here they have given the main equations. According this one, we have to construct 3 equations, children. So here x equal to 2, right? We can add, subtract or multiply, right, children? We can do arithmetic operations on both the side of the equation, right? So here we are applying the same theory. Here I am adding 5 on both the sides, right, children? Here 2 plus 5. Correct? Here also I am adding 5 and here also I am adding 5. That means no change. Now 5 plus x equal to 2 plus 5 is 7. This is one equation. Adding 5 on both the sides. Now second one we'll do subtraction, children. Here we'll subtract 7. Subtracting 7 on both the sides of the equation, children. So x is there. So subtracting 7 means minus 7 equal to 2 is there. 2 minus 7. Here also and here also we subtracted 7. Right, children? So equation is x minus 7 equal to 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Right? Now we'll do multiplication, children. Now multiply both the sides by 5, children. So this is the equation, x equal to 2. Here we are multiplying both the sides with 5, right? Into 5 and into 5 here. 5 into x is 5x equal to 2 into 5 is 10. This is the third equation, right? Question B. Construct 3 equations starting with x equal to minus 2, children. Here the main equation is x equal to minus 2. Here also same thing, we can perform arithmetic operations both the sides of the equation, children. Right? We will start with division now. Dividing both sides by 2, children. So x equal to minus 2 is the main equation. By 2 here and by 2 here because we are dividing with 2 both the sides. So x by 2 equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are, right, children? So minus 1. This is the first equation. Now we will do multiplication. Multiplying both sides with 6, children. So x equal to minus 2 is the main equation. So here we are multiplying with 6 and here also multiplying with 6. From here 6 into x. 6x equal to minus 2 into 6 is minus 12. This is the equation. Now we will do subtraction, children. Subtract 5 on both the sides of the equation, children. Here x equal to minus 2. We are subtracting 5 on both the sides. That is minus 5 here and minus 5 here also. So x minus 5 equal to minus 2 minus 5, that is minus 7. This is the third equation. Here we can construct many equations same like this, children. Only thing is whatever the operation, arithmetic operation we are doing, we have to do both the sides of the equation. Right, children? We'll do the remaining questions in next session, children. Thank you very much.